This is John Kleis Car's YouTube channel. This is a Lamborghini Diablo. Probably the epitome of supercars from the 90s. One of my personal favourites. Absolutely gorgeous in this, whatever this yellow colour's called. I'm sure someone in the comments will correct me on what exact yellow this is. But this has come in because the customer has had some few electrical issues, and they also wanted their clippered alarm, which I think we installed over 20 years ago, serviced and brought up to date with a couple of new remotes programmed. It's an old clippered G4 system. We've actually still got remotes for these, so we've managed to program 2 new master remotes for the clippered alarm, and we've done a little bit of a service, and the customer had a few electrical issues that we had to look at and sort out. For example, his heater blowers weren't working. Now our team is extremely well versed in automotive electronics, so we don't just supply and fit equipment, we can diagnose factory equipment most of the time and fix that as well. So now he's got working heater blowers in this. Not that they're that efficient anyway, because heaters in this car probably aren't needed with the actual engine warming the whole interior up anyway. We've also sorted out all his door locks. Keys got stolen for this Lamborghini Diablo, so you can imagine none of the locks are any good to him. So he brought us in a whole new lock set and keys, including the ignition barrel. So we've replaced all the door locks on this car and the barrel, and put his new keys in, which are here. 2 brand new clippered G4 remotes. You probably don't see these very often. These are vintage. Try and find these brand new. We've still got some of these on the shelf. So we've programmed those in as well. A bit of a job. It's not like a massive audio installation like we would probably do on these in the past, because we were working on these when they were brand new, and we were fitting speaker systems again when they were brand new. But the customer's going to come back in for an audio upgrade, so we've had a quick look around the system as it is now, and we're going to spec him one up. We've actually done some work on a subwoofer enclosure for this as well. Customer brought in like a DIY box, which actually wasn't that bad to go behind the passenger seat, but it wasn't built to a satisfactory standard, so we've refiberglassed it, re-resined it, and then trimmed it for him as well. So actually have a look at this sub box, because the actual owner didn't do too bad a job, but it just wasn't finished properly. So we've done the finished article for him, and what it is, it's an Audison 8-inch sub box which we supplied. Nice and mounted behind the passenger seat there. So we've trimmed it in the matching leather vinyl to the inside of the car, so it looks like it was grown there, and it even butts up between where the carpet and the vinyl hit. So he did a good job building it, but it just wasn't quite good enough, so we resealed it, re-resined it, and the customer even still has access to his pocket above, which is quite a nice little touch. So he can still use his pocket as storage pocket as well, because you can imagine you don't get much storage in this apart from the front, in the front of this car. But yeah, it's about it. Like I said, it's come in for a few electrics to be fixed, a few factory equipment, and obviously the clippered service. So I'm sure it'll come back for more future upgrades, but we couldn't let this car go out with a little YouTube video, because who doesn't want to see a Lamborghini Diablo up close and personal, and especially in this colour, and this is a clean example. I think he's had it for about 20 years actually, because we've actually had this in quite a few times in the last 20 years. There's so many pictures of this car outside the front of our shop. Love seeing it coming back, and I'm sure the owner will keep bringing it back to us, especially for the audio upgrade. So stay tuned. Hopefully you'll see this back in soon for an audio upgrade through ourselves. But I'm going to finish the video here because there's not much else to say on this installation today. It's Connor in front of the camera. From all the boys at John Kleis, including Max, our cameraman, we'll see you soon.